lot more to explore on Snowflake, but then I tried to cover the basics which I could have covered, so that we are aware about all the fundamentals and what are features we can leverage. So SCD is like slowly changing dimensions. So if we have raw, if we have a lot of, in your specifically talking about your architecture, then we have a lot of databases. We have a raw data set wherein we just load the data as it is from your sources. Then we curate them and cleanse the data set in the curated layer. We remove all the missing fields, or we remove all the null values, or we remove all the bad data, having some commas or some exclamations or some byte delimiters, or some bad values which are not required, or some dates which are not formatted or not loaded as it is. So we cleanse that data to make it accurate, or to make it more easy to understand, and to churn out the information from that data to make it more useful for further analysis. So that is called my curated layer, and then further I perform the transformations in the third layer, which is my transformation layer, and then I create my presentation layer where I have all my data, final data, which is filtered, which is sorted, and which is accurate as per precision and the required business results for the consumer to consume it, and for the business needs to run out my dashboards, to run it for the analytical purposes. So here it is stream, like we used one of the ETL tools as streams transformer to Snowflake is a hosted service. So what is that? Basically, it's a hosted service embedded with streams data ops platform that uses Snowpark client libraries. So we will discuss this further. What is Snowpark client libraries? To generate NoSQL queries that are executed in Snowflake. So build your pipelines with streams and scanners. And when you execute that pipeline, streams, it generates a DAG. So DAG is basically a kind of your data pipeline. Since it then uses the DAG and the Snowpark client libraries to generate SnowSQL, that SnowSQL is sent over to your Snowflake to execute in a warehouse for your choice. So like I mentioned, these are a couple of use cases which use Dataframe for automatic schema detection and just loading your data in the tables and accessing it through Python and Spark. Okay, so Spark is Apache Spark is another thing which we can discuss in details, where we have the worker nodes and we have the master nodes based on the type of workload data set you are working on. So now coming back to so we have Snowpark ML API, where we have ML modeling API and Dataframe API, client-side libraries, and in server side we can execute the user-defined functions, UDFs, and stored procedures. This is the warehouse. So this is the basic architecture of Snowpark. So on the client-side library and server-side library, what is happening here? So we can execute it. Snowflake provides us to execute it using 3 languages, which is Python, Java, and Scala. So basically, it is a set of libraries and runtime from Snowflake that securely deploys and processes non-SQL code, including Python, Java, and Scala. So familiar client-side libraries are deeply integrated Dataframe style. You can just create your Dataframe and read that CSV file using the read CSV function on the Spark once you have created your Spark session, and then it provides us the Dataframe style programming and OSS compatible APIs to the language data practitioners like to use. Like I've used it a couple of times on Snowflake, as well as there is open source platform which is available like Google Code, and you can use that. And these days it is extremely easy, not on Snowflake, but then you can, if you are not aware about Python, then you can generate it using GenAI, or you can just type your command and then you can generate, at least you can try to generate your Dataframe code using GenAI as well. So this is an additional feature. I think that should also be included in Snowflake. Okay, so it also includes the Snowpark ML API for more efficient ML modeling, public preview, and ML operations private preview. Then we have flexible runtime constructs. Snowpark provides flexible runtime constructs that allows users to bring in and run custom logic developed to seamlessly build data pipelines, ML models, and data applications with user-defined functions and stored procedures. And do like my channel on the below end.